equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 Slim from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws located at the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the base cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips during this process. With the base cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Now, locate the motor and disconnect the wiring harness. This is usually a simple plug that can be pulled out. If you find it difficult, use your tweezers to gently pull the connector. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. After disconnecting the wiring, you will need to unscrew the motor from its housing. There are typically 3 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and keep them with the others. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor, ensuring it clicks into place. This is crucial for the motor to function correctly. Once everything is connected, replace the base cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reattach the screws at the base of the vacuum to secure the cover. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson SV12 Slim and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything seems to be working well, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you with all your vacuum repair needs, ensuring no calls and no travel unnecessary for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.